6:03.
Almost 3 days to the hour from my first report on Krosa. The winds have picked up somewhat over the day, and according to the latest reports, majority have this super typhoon circling back around and heading not towards China, but somewhere near Korea and Japan. It should be keeping almost equal distance around us according to these current forecasts as it makes its curve. We had a little bit of rainfall this morning. It really hasn't rained much in the area since then. But as I said, the outer skirts of the typhoon have moved back in, and you can see it's just nothing but overcast. The clouds are moving fast, the wind's picking up. It's supposed to make its approach to Taiwan this evening and then start hooking back around, and you'll probably get the closest to us somewhere on Monday. This thing is going to be with us for a week at least, is what it looks like. Lots and lots of cloud movement, wind and clouds. No rain right now. From the other reports I've been reading, it seems like Taiwan's the one that's got all that rain that I saw in the initial clouds on Wednesday. These things are moving fast. It's probably picked up speed since I looked at the reports earlier this morning. We do have some bit of blue sky behind all this, though. So this is the sparse outer layers, not the heavy ones. But from the looks of it, we got more rain heading our way too. I'll do another update in the morning, because it doesn't look like it's going to be much more than just a bunch of normal storm clouds for the evening in this area. These things are moving fast. That's about it for tonight.